Hello and welcome to Clean and Decorate with me. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and myself. And this happens to be the first Monday of every month. Anyone is welcome to join. Well, today I'm going to be cleaning and decorating my kitchen counter. And I'm going to be using this Lysol spray, which smells really good. I have sped up this part of the video, and I also will be cleaning my stovetop. So I have removed the tea kettle and the little skillet. I'm going to wipe the stovetop down first and then clean it with this Barkeeper's Friend. It is a multi-purpose cooktop cleaner. Works very well. So I'm just going to put it on here, rub it around, give it a few minutes, and then buff it out. Okay, I've let it dry, so now I'm taking a paper towel and just rubbing all the grime. See that? Yuck. And then to buff it out, I am using one of these erasing pads. This one happens to be from Kroger's, but I know Mr. Clean makes them too that work really well. So there's what it looks like. So just buffing it out to make it nice and shiny. So there we go. And next I'm going to be cleaning my tea kettle, giving it a nice rub down. I love the wooden handle on it. So now the tea kettle is all clean and I'm going to put it back on the stovetop. Now I'm going to be cleaning the coffee maker, wiping it down as well. And cleaning the drip pan area as well. Yeah, you got to clean those quite often. They can get pretty nasty. Coffee maker all clean. Gonna add a Chicago coffee mug. And I put it all on a new mat. And here in the sink, I'm going to wash the coffee pod holder. I'm just going to add some soap to the sink and give it a good cleaning. And I also keep my drying rack in the sink as well. So I'm going to wash it also. Okay, all clean. And I'll also put the paper towel holder back. Next, I'm going to clean my sink with this Barkeeper's Friend. And it removes most deposits of residue, rust stains, and everyday grime. It works really well. So there we go. The sink is all clean, and I put the dish drain back in the sink. So this part of the countertop is all sparkly clean. And I use reusable coffee pods because coffee pods already filled can be very expensive. So I do my own, and I like the fact that they're purple and black. So I just alternate them in the holder. And I add some soft soap, a new sponge, and a brush. and I just put it on this little tray here, along with some Gain Easy Squeeze dish soap. Okay, now for the decorating. I have this round wicker tray. I'm going to put my lamp on it. Then next I'm going to be adding these cookbooks, a rooster, a scale with some lemons. Next, I'm going to be adding my 2 canisters with sugar and tea bags, but first I'm going to wipe them down with some Windex. So there we go, nice and clean. And then I'm going to be adding this decanter bottle next to the books, and then this white canister with Swiss Miss hot cocoa packets. And then next I'm going to add a cutting board to the back of the stove. And I also have this cute little shamrock tea towel that I'm hanging off the oven door. And I have my utensil carrier with all my utensils. And here in this corner, I have this little bird picture with some pink and white tulips. And the light in the corner and a little wooden pear. And then I have this fruit platter with some artichokes in it. And I always keep my toaster on the countertop as well. So here I am backing up to give you a full view of my clean countertop. Doesn't that look nice? And then behind the sink area, I've added my tiered tray with my faux cupcakes and muffins, and even a couple of black and white checkered cups. Okay, that completes today's Clean and Decorate with Me video. I want to thank you all for watching. Now, if you would, please go check out the playlist and leave everyone a comment and a like. And remember, this is an open collaboration. The first Monday of every month, you are welcome to join. See you all on the next one.